Hi, it's Tony here in Pop Pop's workshop, and today we're unboxing this. It's a 10-watt laser from Blazex. About 12 inches by 12 inches is the area, the cutting area. So follow along with me as I first unbox this and show you how well it's packaged, and then assemble it to show you how easy this thing is to put together. So why don't we get to those videos? But now we're to unboxing the laser itself. This is the cool bit right here. Thank you again to Blazex for sending this to us. We really appreciate that. Oh, it's a box inside a box. There. I'm just tearing boxes. Nice card. Not sure what's in here. Oh, that's nice. And that's very nice. Thank you, Blazex. That is excellent. All right. Now we're getting. You knew Pop Pop. It's like you tied up right up my alley. And here's modules. And oh my goodness, look at all that. So much stuff. I know you probably can't see it very well, but it's looking very cool so far. So here are all this. Take a peek. Take a quick peek. This is, I will tell you, this is packaged very, very well. So that I'm impressed with. They've really packaged that quite well. Because it's got to travel, and you know, sometimes delivery drivers get in a hurry, and you know, things happen. So this is really packaged well. Instruction manual, and despite the fact that I might say I'm not going to look at the instructions, I will definitely be looking at the instructions. More styrofoam. Laser glasses. Woohoo! And safely protected inside all of this is a very delicate laser module. You got to be very careful with these when you're unpackaging them. That could be bad news. More boxes, I'm sure, with connectors and all the good stuff that goes with that. And there's the main framework. That's set out there. Okay. I'm going to tell you, I am impressed. I mean, this is secure in the packaging. And I didn't see any damage. I did this when I took it out. So that is amazing. There is the rotary module. We'll be playing with that. This is a honeycomb that comes with it so that you're not burning onto your top. They even have height enhancement modules. So basically I can screw those pegs in and set that up so if I want to put something underneath the laser, it's something a little bit bigger, I can get the height up there. And for the rotary, if I want to get the height up, that's going to help there. Very cool. Very, very cool. So let's talk about first impressions. This is packaged extremely well. I know I was mentioning it as we were going along, but they really, really go all out in the packaging. The extra little cool little tidbits in there, that's above and beyond, more than what I was expecting. I really appreciate that. Very well put together. There's not a lot of assembly. Some lasers you got to put all the sides and stuff together. I'll have to mount the module. I'll have to put the enclosure together. But that's it. And then we're going to be up and running. So in the next video, you'll probably watch like a hyperlapse. Probably you don't need to see me slowly put everything together, but I'm going to hyperlapse the assembly and get that taken care of. But I'm really happy and looking forward to running this thing through its paces. We're going to run Lightburn on there. It has a couple other compatible programs, but we'll talk about that. But yeah, on to the next video. All right, so we have the unboxing portion of our Blazex laser review done, and we're into our assembly stage. So I just went ahead and put the honeycomb on there. It's got the honeycomb with a backing plate. It's got 4 screws that screw into the bottom of the laser. and that holds that together as one unit, which is great. You don't have to worry about that sliding around differently. It's going to be right where you put it. That's a great feature. In order to use the rotary that came with my machine, it has height extending legs, but you have to remove the honeycomb. So you have to pull the honeycomb screws out and screw in the legs, and then you're good to go. So that's how you'd use the rotary. And it even has a little spot there that you plug in the roller for. So it's all kind of self-contained. Everything's there. I kind of went through the instructions. Take a little bit of time. It may seem like there's not enough instructions there, but if you read carefully and look at the diagram, it is pretty self-explanatory. There's 3 sets of hardware. There's large bolts that'll fasten to the back. You'll see later. These fasten the laser part here to this rail that sits at the front of the enclosure. This part of the enclosure goes on top of that. There's the fan inside of that one. So what I'm going to do is, it'll take me a while to get this put together. So I'm going to set up the tripod, and I'm going to put you on a hyperlapse, and you'll see a super fast assembly of this laser, and then we'll review all the different places that we screwed things in, so you'll kind of get an overview of what I did. So get ready for a hyperlapse. Okay, so it's all put together and it will turn on. So I haven't hooked up the computer yet to run anything, but that'll be in a upcoming video. Our first project with the laser. I'll show you setting it up on my laptop with Lightburn, but otherwise it powers up. Everything looks perfect. The shield was fairly easy to mount on there. The little screws are kind of hard for me to hold on to, but otherwise it went together just fine. Everything's on there. Pulled all the wrapping off, which is really nice. The laser head is in. That was very easy to install, so kudos for that one. And then I've got a few sample pieces that they sent us for engraving. This is a focus paper. So put that in there to focus your laser. Make sure it's focused. There's other cleaning stuff. There's a USB drive in there. Might be the driver for the machine. I'll have to plug that in, see what that is. And a very handy user manual. What's really nice is, besides just giving you the basics on troubleshooting and things like that, there's a lot of QR codes for scanning and troubleshooting things. There's a common materials chart inside here that tells you, I have the 455 nanometer engraver, and it gives you all the parameters for speeds and power on either cutting or engraving on different materials. So that's going to be kind of a handy little thing to have. So all in, so I'm really impressed with just, we've unboxed it, we've assembled it, went together easy. The laser was all put together. I didn't have to assemble rails or anything. That was all done for me. Love that. That makes it a very easy, simple thing. So we'll get this put into its new home, and we'll run a project on it for our next video. But so far, I'm very impressed with the Blazex laser. I know it's just an unboxing and assembly, but I've put together a couple lasers, and this was probably the easiest one so far to assemble that I've done. So kudos to Blazex. Thanks for sending this out, and we'll run it through its paces in the next video. Remember, you can burn this.